The management function comprises of many functions. It includes the marketing, finance, operations, production, projects, human resource, etc. Management essentially goes with the deliveries of the employees, and human resource plays very vital role in this regard. It covers every aspect related to the employee and business alike. The ABCD of business or ABCD of the organization goes through the HR route. Here, the A stands for alignment, B for behavior, C for commitment, and D for the delivery. Thus completes the business aspect at a corporate or industry level. In order to ensure that employee adhere to the ABCD rule, which is of prime importance for any organization, the HR plays very vital role. And in order to get employee more competent, more deliverable, more confidence, the training and development is an essential tool for every organization. The training makes the employee more competitive, more competent, and adds to their confidence level, thereby improving the business results of any organization. For every employee at workplace, the behavioral aspects are very prominent and important. In order to develop them on the behavioral front, what they really require is that to imbibe the trust at the workplace, at the work premises, and also club it with the motivation. That's why it is essential to improve upon the interpersonal relationship, the business related scenario through improving the trust and through motivation. That's why the theme for a particular session could be transforming the trust and managing through motivation. Here there are two stages. One is transforming the trust. Unless there is a trust at the working relationship and it is transferred to the all concerned, and also there is a backup of proper and adequate motivation, the expected and desired results cannot be achieved. So it is essential to have the trust that only helps everyone irrespective of their level to respond to each other, to reciprocate each other, and to achieve the desired goals in a collective trust group. Another aspect is motivation. Motivation is essential for any effective and meaningful business delivery. If the employees are motivated, if they are properly trained and communicated, then they can deliver better. So motivating everybody, motivating the employee at every level is essential, and that can be achieved through the communication part, through the reciprocal respect, through the dialogue, and through the transparent way of working.
organization level, nobody can go ahead without support of his colleagues or
He said it. He said it. Yes. He said it. I think yes. Very good. Anything else? Very true. Yes, ma'am. How was it?
We do need to have complete trust in your
Complete faith.
partner,
पूरा
mate,
भरोसा.
but yes, and just move along.
दोन वेगळ्या
अनुभव.
अनुभवाचे माणसं असतील तरी ते दोघं पण एकत्र आले तर एखादं बोलू
Correct.
And it is our duty to carry the person upon whom we trust.
ही जबाबदारी सगळ्यात मोठी असते कारण उसका पूरा भरोसा हम पर है. He is totally relying on you. So your responsibility gets added in multi-folds.
Sir, vision of others can be utilized.
Excellent. Excellent.
total
Excellent.
complete percentage, I will say 100% trust.
100%.
It will be very.
And I fully endorse it. See, trust, loyalty, integrity, it cannot be on 99%.